So I want to make something.
Yeah, yeah. I'm that type of woman. That type of woman. I'm that type of woman. Listen, I'm the type of woman, not any type of woman.
Yes, it's true. I would let her go. It's just that simple. It's like happened with it. I was going for. I'll call you later. Puxa.
Pita, 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 pita. Pita, pita, pita. Now we want to put our pita, pita, pita in the oven. Pita, pita, pita in the oven. Pita, pita, pita.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to a brand new day in this vlog. It's a Wednesday. This couple's car. Anyways, I was saying it's a Wednesday today, and I am by the greenery. Not the greenery. Huh? Why do I love the greenery so much? I am by Cycad. I am by the shops. I wanted to get some honey. And ginger. I want to make a cough syrup or something of some sort. So I did not have any I don't know, I'm experiencing brain freeze. I did not have any honey, so I had to come and get some honey. My husband's cough is like very bad, and I feel for him, Shem. So I've been looking up home remedies. I've come across quite a few. Like, you microwave an orange and then you add honey, and then the other one you microwave an onion and then you add honey as well, and then the other one is you cut up onion and garlic, put them in a glass jar that can be covered, and put honey and let it sit overnight, and then you can strain the juice and then have it the following day. And then Reese his brother Reshan has the pink eye, and it's mostly affecting his right eye, I think. So I needed to get him some, some eye drops. But then Clicks is closed. I think those guys that come and take cash from the shop or from a bank, those guys, they were there. So I think they just left, because I can see some movement inside, but they haven't opened the door yet. So I don't know if I'm going to wait here or I'll just go to Discam. Because I find Discam to be more efficient than Clicks, especially this Clicks, because this Clicks usually doesn't have the things that I want when I'm looking for the things that I want, and I always get a Discam. So I just find Discam more efficient than Clicks. So I don't know if I will continue waiting here or I will just go to Discam, because they are not opening the door. And at home I have not tidied up my home. All I did when I woke up was clean Reese's bottles, and then I came out. I knew that I wouldn't take Reshan to school, so I woke up around 8. Why? Because it's now been weeks upon weeks. We are not sleeping. Reese has allergies. So he has difficulty breathing properly sometimes, and I don't know if there is anything that is still triggering him in the house, because I am no longer using fabric softener on him. I'm no longer using washing powder on him. I'm no longer spraying anything on my body, any fragrance stuff. I'm no longer doing that because the doctor advised against it. I'm no longer using spices near him. So I don't know why it seems as if his allergies keep getting triggered or something, because he's still like when he sleeps. It's like snoring, but baby snoring. And you can tell that he is in pain sometimes, because sometimes it affects his sleep and he starts crying. And then from there, I end up getting up and soothing him and using nasal sprays, nasal drops, but I don't see how those are working. And there were hints of asthma by the doctor, and God forbid my son won't have asthma. My son doesn't have asthma. That's one thing that I want to pray about. So yeah, I haven't been sleeping. So the only time that I got sleep today was around 5:30, after I prepared his milk for him. 5:30, and then yeah, I woke up around 8 because yeah, it's been a hectic couple of weeks. So if you guys know any home remedies for what I'm talking about, it's like his nose is stuffed, it's like his chest is stuffed. It's a whole lot. So yeah guys, when we were at the hospital, when he was born, we didn't experience that. A couple of weeks back at home, we didn't experience that. It just started all of a sudden, and here we are, and it's really troubling me. I don't like it when my kids get sick. It's not a good sight to behold. I get stressed. I am not happy. I'm always thinking about them. Now my husband is not sick as well, so so all my boys are not feeling well, and I don't like that. I don't like that. So I have to make sure that I do something to make sure that their health is restored again. Clicks is not opening. They still haven't opened. And people have now queued up on their door. Let me just go and queue up as well, because I need to get those eye drops for Ration. Let's go. got what I wanted. It's quick. So now we go home. I'm sure my husband is even wondering why I'm not baking yet. Because these people from Fix were taking their time. They were taking their precious time. I don't think it's because it's the start of a new day or what, but yeah. I'll catch you guys later. I've been back for a while. I just got back and started tidying up the house. I did that off camera. So now I want to make breakfast. Just a quick, simple breakfast. I bought these white buns. So I want to make something with this. Just an egg and cheese. And yeah, an egg and cheese. Something simple. But then at the same time, please hold. At the same time, I need to finish doing SEO for the video that's supposed to go up, which is a Wednesday. I've already uploaded it. All I need to do is put the correct title, add a description, create a thumbnail. I'm already halfway with the thumbnail, but I haven't finished because I did not have a proper picture. Then turn on monetization. Yeah, I think, yeah. And then I'll make the video public after that. So yeah guys, let's do all this stuff together because I'll be multitasking, cooking and doing SEO for my video. I have a lot of clothes that I need to fold as well, but I don't know if I'm going to do that as soon as I finish with breakfast and eating, or I'm going to do that later on in the day. Then Reese's clothes need to be washed. I've soaked them and I just need to rub green brown them and then put them in the washing machine. So yeah, I found a way to make it easier for me. I'll just rub his clothes with the green bar. Then after that I go ahead and put them in the washing machine and run the baby cycle, and yeah, they get clean. I was worried whether they would be clean or not, but it's not a chain, so that's good for me. One less hassle for me. So yeah got this habit these days. I'm not putting my eggs in there. Alright, for container. Oh no,
Thank you.